Imagine a factory that never stops, working day and night to filter, purify, and maintain everything in perfect balance. That is the role of your liver, the true, invisible hero of the human body. It filters toxins, metabolizes nutrients, and keeps energy flowing, acting as the central engine of a large power plant. But here's the problem. While you take care of the exterior, you often forget about this essential engine. And do you know what happens when the liver collapses? The entire body suffers. Extreme fatigue, slow digestion, lifeless skin, and, in more severe cases, irreversible diseases. The liver is resilient, but when it's damaged, its recovery is slow and complicated. Dr. Shigeaki Hinohara, one of Japan's most respected doctors, renowned for his contributions to preventive medicine and longevity, knew this better than anyone. As the author of numerous health-related works, he always emphasized the importance of caring for the liver before it's too late. Based on his years of experience, he developed a natural, simple, and effective protocol capable of regenerating liver health in just 14 days. He always made it clear, it's not magic, but the science of simplicity. A method that can transform your liver health and reverse issues in their early stages, without expensive medications or invasive treatments. Before continuing, I want you to do something for yourself. Watch this video until the end, because I will share an extremely powerful and exclusive natural home remedy that is part of Dr. Shigeaki Hinohara's protocol. It could be the turning point your liver needs to start regenerating in just 14 days. As I mentioned, what you are about to learn could be a true paradigm shift in your life. This is rare, valuable information that few people have access to. For this reason, I want to ask you for two small favors. The first is a commitment to yourself. If you are truly determined to transform your health, comment below, "I am light and healing." By doing this, you connect with the purpose of improving your health and take the first step toward this transformation. The second is even simpler, but just as important. Pause the video right now and share this content with someone you love. Many people are suffering today because they don't know how to take care of their liver, and you could be the person who brings hope and health to those who need it most. That said, get ready. Because now we are going to dive into the details of this powerful protocol and understand why the liver is so crucial to your health and quality of life. The importance of taking care of your liver before it's too late. You don't feel pain in your liver like you would in a muscle or joint. Instead, it sends indirect signals such as extreme fatigue, even after sleeping, difficulty losing weight despite dieting and exercising, dull, yellowish or spotty skin, slow digestion and a constant feeling of bloating. The problem is that when these signs appear, the liver is often already overloaded, and without proper care, the fat accumulated in this vital organ can progress to serious conditions such as fibrosis, cirrhosis, or even cancer. With this in mind, Dr. Shigeaki Hinohara, one of the most respected doctors in modern history, developed a natural protocol to regenerate the liver in its early stages of overload. His practices, always grounded in simplicity and natural methods, have impacted millions of people in Japan and around the world. So let's get started, Dr. Shigeaki Hinohara's protocol to cleanse a fatty liver in 14 days. This method is based on a practical and effective approach, using natural foods and simple habits that strengthen liver functions. From the first to the third day, initial detoxification. What to do? Upon waking, drink a glass of warm water with the juice of half a fresh lemon. Completely eliminate processed foods, fried foods, refined sugar, and alcohol from your diet. Eat 3 daily meals rich in cruciferous vegetables, such as broccoli, kale, and spinach, whole grains, like quinoa and brown rice, and lean proteins, fish or organic chicken. Drink a cup of dandelion or boldo tea before bed. Why? During these initial days, the goal is to prepare the liver for regeneration. Lemon water helps activate bile production, essential for digesting fats and eliminating toxins. Cruciferous vegetables are rich in compounds that support liver function, while dandelion or boldo tea aids in detoxification. From the 4th to the 7th day, activation of liver metabolism. What to do? Add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil to the lemon juice in the morning. Eat antioxidant-rich fruits, such as apples, blueberries, and pineapple between meals. Continue prioritizing vegetables, but include sources of healthy fats like avocado and flax seeds. Take light 30-minute walks daily to stimulate blood flow and metabolism. Why? Olive oil enhances the liver's detoxifying action, while antioxidant fruits reduce inflammation and protect liver cells. Healthy fats, such as those in avocado and flax seeds, aid in cellular regeneration. Moderate physical activity boosts metabolism and improves liver circulation. From the 8th to the 10th day, liver strengthening. What to do? Include a detox broth in your main meal, made with ingredients like garlic, ginger, turmeric, carrots, and leafy greens. Increase your water intake, drinking at least 2 liters throughout the day. Avoid red meat and prioritize plant-based protein sources, such as chickpeas and lentils. Continue with nighttime teas and daily walks. Why? This phase focuses on strengthening the liver with anti-inflammatory and nutrient-rich foods. Garlic and turmeric are potent natural detoxifiers, while ginger improves circulation. Proper hydration is essential to help the liver eliminate metabolic waste. From the 11th to the 14th day, cellular regeneration. What to do? Introduce green juices in the morning, made with ingredients such as kale, cucumber, green apple, and lemon. Consume fermented foods like natural yogurt or kombucha to restore intestinal balance, which directly affects the liver. Completely avoid caffeine and processed foods. Practice relaxation techniques such as meditation or yoga for at least 15 minutes a day. Why? In this final phase, the focus is on complete liver regeneration. Green juices provide a burst of vitamins and minerals, while fermented foods help balance the gut microbiome, which directly influences liver health. Relaxation reduces cortisol levels, which also benefits the liver. Expected results at the end of the 14 days. By following this protocol diligently, you can expect reduction of accumulated fat in the liver, increased energy and vitality throughout the day, improved digestion and intestinal function, healthier and more radiant skin, an overall feeling of lightness and well-being. This is Dr. Shigeaki Hinohara's method, a natural, practical, and effective approach to caring for your liver and overall health. Dr. Hinohara's Natural Liver Regenerator. To further enhance this 14-day protocol, Dr. Shigeaki Hinohara recommended a simple yet highly effective natural recipe, which he called the Natural Liver Regenerator. This mixture served as an essential complement to accelerate liver detoxification and regeneration, leveraging the power of accessible and highly beneficial ingredients. Dr. Hinohara believed simplicity is the key to health. He based this recipe on traditional Japanese practices inspired by natural medicine, prioritizing functional foods. These ingredients have been used for centuries in various cultures to revitalize the body and restore liver health. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, approximately half a lemon, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, organic if possible, 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric or half a teaspoon of freshly grated turmeric, 200 milliliters of warm water, a pinch of black pepper to enhance the effects of turmeric. How to prepare: heat the water until warm but not boiling. In a glass, mix the lemon juice, olive oil, turmeric, and black pepper. Pour the warm water over the mixture and stir well until all ingredients are fully dissolved. Consume immediately, preferably on an empty stomach, as soon as you wake up. How to consume: Drink this mixture daily during the 14-day protocol, preferably in the morning, at least 30 minutes before your first meal. For best results, continue regular consumption even after completing the protocol, as part of a weekly liver care routine. The benefits of the ingredients. Lemon, rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, stimulates bile production, improves digestion, and promotes the elimination of toxins accumulated in the liver. Extra virgin olive oil, a source of healthy fats, protects liver cells and aids in tissue regeneration. Turmeric, with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, combats free radicals and reduces liver inflammation. Black pepper increases the bioavailability of curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, enhancing its effects. Warm water facilitates nutrient absorption and helps activate metabolism early in the morning. Contraindications. This recipe is safe for most people, but those with severe stomach issues, such as gastritis or ulcers, should use less lemon and turmeric. Consult a doctor or nutritionist before starting any treatment, especially if you are on continuous medication. Expected results with the liver regenerator. By including this mixture in the protocol, you enhance liver detoxification, accelerate cellular regeneration, and promote an anti-inflammatory effect throughout the body. Many people report feeling more energetic, lighter, and even noticing improved skin appearance within a few days. But let me ask you, would you like something even more effective? Something that can deliver fast, deep results that very few people know about? Imagine if, in addition to protecting your health, you could regain that vitality that seemed lost over time. Wrinkles, low energy, constant fatigue, all of this could be drastically reduced. And I'm not talking about miracles or empty promises, but about something that science and renowned doctors around the world have proven to be possible. As we age, our levels of human growth hormone, HGH, naturally decrease. This decline is one of the main causes of aging signs, such as wrinkles, loss of muscle mass, decreased energy, weight gain, memory problems, and even reduced sexual drive. But here's a secret that few people know. It's possible to stimulate your body to naturally produce more HGH. This is exactly what GenF 20 Plus does. It was designed to help you turn back time, offering incredible benefits such as reduction of wrinkles and fine lines, firmer, more youthful-looking skin, increased physical endurance and daily energy, weight loss and reduction of body fat, improved memory, focus and mood, greater vitality to enjoy life, including in the intimate aspect, and even healthier, more vibrant-looking hair. The results aren't just promises. GenF 20 Plus has been tested in clinical studies, and one of them showed a 28% increase in IGF-1 levels, the primary mediator of HGH, in just 12 weeks. And here's the best part. It's recommended by renowned doctors like Dr. Stephen Lamb, a well-known figure on television who says, "I would wholeheartedly recommend GenF 20 Plus to anyone who wants to improve their overall health and regain vitality." In the past, HGH treatments were inaccessible to most people, costing up to $30,000 a year in injections. But GenF 20 Plus has brought this technology to an affordable, safe, and natural level. And today, for you who follow our channel, I secured a special December promotional price. The cost is so affordable that it's less than a fast food meal. But pay attention, this offer is limited time only and valid while supplies last. And there's more. You can try GenF 20 Plus risk-free. You get 67 days of guarantee. Either you feel the results and are amazed by the transformation, or we refund your investment, no questions asked. Don't miss this chance to change your life for the better. Click the link in the video description or in the pinned comment and take advantage of this special price before it's gone. It's not just about aging, it's about how you choose to live. Make that choice for yourself today. If you've made it this far, congratulations. This shows that you are truly committed to transforming your health and giving your liver the care it deserves. Dr. Shigeaki Hinohara's protocol, combined with the powerful natural liver regenerator, can be the start of a significant change in your life. Now, I want to hear from you. What did you think of this content? Do you believe these tips can help improve your health? Share your opinion in the comments and also let me know which city you're watching this video from. Knowing how far our message is reaching is very special to me. Before we wrap up, I want to invite you to do something. Comment below, "Health begins in the liver." This phrase will be your commitment to a healthier life and the regeneration of your body. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to receive more transformative content like this. Take a moment to share this video with someone you love. Together, we can bring health and hope to those who need it most. And don't forget, the natural healing supplement GenF20 Plus is available at a special holiday promotional price, but these are the final days. The link is in the video description and in the pinned comment, so act fast to secure yours while it's still available. On the end screen, I'll leave 2 complimentary videos that might be the missing piece to transform your health. Watch both and continue this journey of learning and healing. Thank you so much for staying with me until the end. I wish you and your family plenty of health, balance, and happiness. See you in the next video. A big hug, and may God bless you.